Hi Year 1, welcome to my video where I'm going to teach you all about how to use the digital tool Scratch Junior. Now if you're on a computer, you can simply go to Google and type in Scratch Junior into the search bar. It will come up with the Scratch Junior for Web result and you can just click this. Now if you're on an iPad, it's even easier. You can go to the App Store, download Scratch Junior and open it from there. So I'm going to click into Scratch Junior and it will open a new project for me. So what is Scratch Junior? Well, it's a digital coding tool where you can create animations with characters. So I am going to show you some simple steps to follow so you can learn how to make your own animation. Remember, you can pause the video at any time if you need to stop and think. So step 1, you've got your project open. You will automatically see a blue character on the screen called Tick. You can choose to keep Tick, or you can find a different character by pressing the blue plus button. I am going to choose a dog this time. So I'm going to select my dog and press the tick button at the top. I've got my dog here. Now I don't want Tick in this video for now, so I'm going to hold my mouse down until I get the red circle, the white cross, and I'm going to click this to get rid of Tick. Okay, so now I've just got my dog here. So step 2, you can select a scene for your character by clicking the mountains and sky button up the top of middle of the screen. You can choose any scene that there is here. So I'm going to choose a park with a cityscape in the background for my animation. I'm going to press the blue circle at the top with a tick. Okay, now I've got my background. So step 3, you need to add your coding blocks. So you need to come down to the left bottom of the screen and click this yellow block here. A series of options will come up. You're going to click the green flag and drag it down into the white coding area at the bottom of the screen. That will be your go button for your code. Then to the right of the yellow button here, I'm going to click the blue button with the white arrow. And I'd like my dog to move to the right of the screen. So I'm going to click the move right arrow here, drag it down and join it up to the green flag. Now, it's important to join the buttons up, otherwise the code will not work. So that's an important step to remember. Now, if you'd like the dog to move to the right more, you can simply drag more blocks down into your code. I'm going to select this many. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps to the right. So I've got my dog in his starting position, and then I'm going to press my green flag to make the code begin. There we go. So I've moved the dog across to the right of the screen. And there we have it, my friends. That is a basic Scratch Junior animation. And in follow-up lessons, we're going to explore more options and add more characters and see what else we can do. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.